You're watching Louisiana First News this morning at 8:30.
Welcome back. The ReCenter Breast Cancer Reconstructive Surgery Hospital is a new state-of-the-art healthcare facility providing the most advanced breast cancer and reconstructive surgery in the South. And joining me now to share more on why this center opened right here in our area is breast cancer surgeon Dr. Everett Bonner himself. Good morning.
Good morning, Cindy. How are you doing this morning?
Good. Thank you so much for joining me. We're just having a conversation on the sidelines here, and you were giving me the whole rundown. And now, again, you're a surgeon.
Correct.
So you see firsthand the need in our area. You've worked and done surgeries at several major hospitals in our area. So talk about the impact and why you guys specifically decided to create a facility for breast cancer.
Well, yeah, you're correct. I was working at many different hospitals, and in East Baton Rouge and in Louisiana, we have a higher incidence of breast cancer. In fact, it's the leading cause of death for women between the ages of 35 and 54. We're starting to see an increase in breast cancer, and so myself, some plastic surgeons, and another breast surgeon, we got together and said we need a hospital that's dedicated just for breast cancer and reconstruction. So we gathered a bunch of experts. We have over 125 years of experience between the microsurgeons and the breast surgeons, and we tailor this specifically for women with breast cancer. And it's sort of a quiet, spa-like atmosphere. It's almost like a Ritz-Carlton. In fact, we give gift bags, which I have for you for later.
Oh, thank you.
We also give a throw blanket. We have massage therapists, and our concentration is on reconstruction and breast cancer. Whether you've had a new diagnosis and you want to have your breast surgery and reconstruction at the same time, or if you've had surgery in the past and you're not happy with your results and want to have a redo reconstruction, our microsurgeons and experts in reconstructive surgery are there to offer their services for these patients.
Now talk about the importance of having a facility where you feel comfortable, where you know have a comfortable environment. Of course, great surgeons, but just a space where they feel not only safe but comfortable throughout this experience, because it is, for some it can be traumatic, it can be life-changing. Of course, for many, not only the patient but the family. So talk about that and how you guys went into making sure this was a comfortable environment.
That is the uniqueness of our hospital. We're redefining healthcare. Women who've had a diagnosis of breast cancer, it's devastating. Their whole lives have changed. And so at our place, not only are you going to get top-notch, state-of-the-art care, but you're going to have a respite that is incredible and tranquil. We have, like I said, a spa-like atmosphere. We've handpicked our surgical team, our scrub techs, our nurses, our staff, our administrative staff, as well as our plastic surgeons and breast surgeons. And so women go there, it's personal experience and a quiet recovery. We found that women do better when they recover in a quiet, peaceful, loving atmosphere, and that's what we provide at the ReCenter.
Now, as a surgeon, talk about, I know we're talking a lot about the facility itself and everything like that, and I know Breast Cancer Awareness Month is a couple weeks away, but just really quickly, just some information on, like symptoms and the importance of going ahead and getting your exams and getting checked out.
So, breast cancer, we hope to diagnose this before patients have symptoms. And that's why the screening mammogram is extremely important for these patients. We know that mammogram decreases mortality by 50%. Early cancers, early detection, have more treatment options, better outcomes, and long-term survivability. If you can diagnose a breast cancer between stages 1 and 2, you can have an extremely high, up to 99% survival rate with the treatments and early detection. And that's why mammograms is the key to this.
Thank you so much. That's very helpful information. And for those who are interested in coming to the ReCenter to, either get reconstructive surgery or just learn more about it, where can they do so? So
our address is 6330 Morning Dove. It's the Dove's name, Morning Dove. They can also go to our website, reshapinglives.com. Also, they can go to the Baton Rouge Clinic. I'm on there. Mary Bird Perkins is also one of our partners. But at the ReCenter, reshapinglives.com is where they can find us. If they want reconstruction, consults, breast cancer care, we do it all right there.
And this is the only center like this in the state right now, correct?
It is the only center that's uniquely like this in the state. There's one little program that's very similar to us, but this is the most unique in the entire capital area.
Well, thank you so much for joining me this morning at Dr. Everett. We will have all this information and how you can learn more on the ReCenter and reconstructive surgeries on our website at LouisianaFirstNews.com. Stay right there. We'll be right back with more weather after the break.